In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Avoid Toll Roads option in your Waze Live Map settings. To get started, open your Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, go to your Waze Live Map settings page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so your settings and preferences are available. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds until everything appears clearly on screen. When you're on the settings page, take a quick look around at the layout. Waze organizes different preferences into sections, which makes it easier to find the option you need without scrolling through unrelated items. For this walkthrough, the goal is to navigate directly to the area where route and driving preferences are managed. Next, click the navigation link option listed under your profile settings. This section is where Waze keeps controls related to how routes are planned and what kinds of roads or travel conditions you may want to avoid. After you click navigation, wait for the page or settings panel to update so the available route preferences are fully visible. Now that you're inside the navigation section, start looking through the listed options carefully. The wording is usually straightforward, so you should be able to spot the relevant labels without much trouble. What you're looking for is the item text label called Avoid Toll Roads. Once you locate Avoid Toll Roads, you've successfully found the setting. This is the option tied to whether toll roads are considered during route planning. If you're reviewing your navigation preferences, this is a useful area to know about, especially if you want more control over the types of roads included in your trips. A helpful tip while you're in this section is to read nearby options as well, since they often relate to route customization and can help you better understand how Waze calculates directions. Just be sure to stay focused on the setting named Avoid Toll Roads so you don't lose track of the main task. And that's it. Open Chrome, go to your Waze Live Map settings page, select navigation from your profile settings, and locate the Avoid Toll Roads label. If you're following along on your own screen, you can pause and replay any part of this guide to make the process easier.